Have you ever felt like the market is playing mind games with you? One moment you're confident, the next you're panicking, cutting profits too soon, or holding losses for too long. The truth is, your emotions are your biggest enemy in trading. Even with the best strategy, if you can't control your mindset, you'll keep making the same costly mistakes. So, how do professional traders stay calm, disciplined, and consistently profitable? That's exactly what we're about to uncover. Welcome back to Tradecraft Academy, where we turn beginners into professional traders. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of trading psychology. You might have the best strategy, the most advanced indicators, and a solid risk management plan, but if you can't control your emotions, you will struggle to succeed in trading. So, stay with me till the end, because I'll share powerful psychological techniques to help you stay disciplined, avoid costly mistakes, and develop the mindset of a professional trader. Let's get started. Before we talk about solutions, let's understand the problem. Why is trading psychology so important? Trading is 90% psychology and only 10% strategy. Here's why. 1. Fear and greed in trading. Fear and greed are the two most powerful emotions that drive market behavior and influence traders' decisions. Fear causes traders to panic, exit trades too early, or hesitate to enter profitable opportunities due to the fear of loss. It often leads to missed gains and poor risk management. On the other hand, greed pushes traders to overtrade, hold on to winning trades for too long, or take excessive risks in the hope of higher profits. This often results in significant losses when the market reverses. Successful traders learn to control these emotions by following a well-defined trading plan, sticking to risk management rules, and maintaining a disciplined mindset. Mastering fear and greed is essential for long-term trading success. 2. Overtrading. Overtrading occurs when a trader takes excessive trades, often driven by impatience, greed, or the desire to recover losses quickly. This behavior leads to poor decision-making, increased transaction costs, and unnecessary exposure to market risks. Many traders fall into the trap of overtrading due to the excitement of constant market movement or the fear of missing out, FOMO. However, taking too many trades without proper analysis or a solid strategy can result in emotional exhaustion and significant financial losses. To avoid overtrading, traders should set clear trading rules, stick to a well-defined plan, and focus on quality trades rather than quantity. Patience and discipline are key to maintaining long-term profitability. 3. Revenge trading. Revenge trading happens when a trader, frustrated by a loss, tries to immediately recover their money by taking impulsive and often reckless trades. This emotional reaction leads to poor decision-making, increased risk-taking, and even bigger losses. Instead of following a strategy, the trader acts out of anger or desperation, ignoring proper analysis and risk management. Successful traders understand that losses are a normal part of the game and should be accepted with a clear mindset. The best way to avoid revenge trading is to step away from the market after a loss. Review what went wrong and return only when emotions are under control. Staying disciplined and following a structured plan is key to long-term success. 4. FOMO, fear of missing out. FOMO, or the fear of missing out, is a common psychological trap that causes traders to enter trades impulsively, fearing they will miss a big opportunity. It often happens when traders see a rapid price movement and jump in without proper analysis, hoping to catch more gains. However, FOMO-driven trades usually lead to poor entry points, increased risk, and unexpected losses when the market reverses. This emotion is fueled by social media hype, news, and the success stories of others, making traders feel pressured to act quickly. The best way to overcome FOMO is to follow a structured trading plan, trust your strategy, and remember that the market always presents new opportunities. Patience and discipline will always outperform impulsive decisions. 5. Lack of discipline. Lack of discipline is one of the biggest reasons why traders fail in the long run. It occurs when traders ignore their trading plan, take impulsive trades, adjust stop losses emotionally, or deviate from their risk management rules. This often happens due to greed, fear, or the urge to recover losses quickly. Without discipline, even the best trading strategy becomes useless, as inconsistent actions lead to inconsistent results. Successful traders develop discipline by sticking to a well-defined plan, maintaining emotional control, and following strict risk management rules. Building a disciplined mindset requires patience, self-control, and the ability to accept both wins and losses as part of the trading journey. Does any of this sound familiar? If yes, don't worry. Let's now focus on how to fix these issues and build a winning mindset. Successful traders don't let emotions control them. They follow a process and trust their strategy. Here's how you can develop this discipline. 1. Create and follow a trading plan. A well-structured trading plan is essential for achieving long-term success in the financial markets. It acts as a roadmap, guiding traders on when to enter and exit trades, how much risk to take, and which strategies to follow. Without a trading plan, emotions like fear and greed can take over, leading to impulsive decisions and inconsistent results. A solid plan should include clear entry and exit rules, risk management strategies, position sizing, and a predefined trading schedule. However, simply creating a plan is not enough. Following it with discipline is what separates successful traders from those who struggle. Sticking to a trading plan helps maintain consistency, reduces emotional trading, and improves decision-making over time. 2. Control risk to reduce stress. Effective risk management is the foundation of stress-free and sustainable trading. When traders risk too much capital on a single trade, they experience heightened emotions such as fear and anxiety, which can lead to poor decision-making. To avoid this, traders should follow the golden rule of never risking more than 1-2% of their total capital per trade. Using stop-loss orders, proper position sizing, and maintaining a balanced risk-to-reward ratio can help minimize potential losses while preserving mental clarity. Controlling risk not only protects a trader's account, but also builds confidence, allowing them to trade with a calm and focused mindset. By managing risk wisely, traders can reduce stress and maintain long-term profitability in the markets. 3. Manage expectations in trading. Managing expectations is crucial for long-term success in trading. Many beginners enter the market with unrealistic hopes of getting rich quickly, only to face disappointment and frustration. The reality is that trading requires time, patience, and continuous learning. Even professional traders experience losses, but they understand that consistency, not instant profits, leads to success. Setting realistic goals, accepting that losses are part of the process, and focusing on steady growth instead of quick wins can help traders stay motivated and avoid emotional decision-making. By managing expectations properly, traders can develop a strong mindset, stay disciplined, and build a sustainable trading career. 4. Take breaks and avoid overtrading. Taking breaks and avoiding overtrading is essential for maintaining a clear and disciplined mindset. Many traders, especially after a loss, feel the urge to take multiple trades in an attempt to recover quickly, leading to emotional and impulsive decisions. However, trading excessively without proper analysis increases risk and often results in even bigger losses. Stepping away from the charts after a losing streak or a stressful session helps traders reset their emotions and regain focus. A well-rested mind makes better decisions, leading to more consistent results. Successful traders understand that quality matters more than quantity. Waiting for the right setups and taking breaks when needed can significantly improve overall performance. To become a consistently profitable trader, you need a growth mindset. Here's how to develop one. 1. Keep a trading journal. Keeping a trading journal is one of the most effective ways to improve as a trader. A journal helps track every trade, including entry and exit points, reasons for taking the trade, emotions experienced, and the overall outcome. By regularly reviewing past trades, traders can identify patterns, strengths, and weaknesses in their strategy and decision-making process. It also helps in recognizing emotional mistakes such as revenge trading, overtrading, or deviating from a trading plan. A well-maintained journal allows traders to learn from both successes and failures, leading to better discipline, consistency, and long-term profitability. Successful traders treat their journal as a tool for growth, using it to refine their approach and build a more structured trading mindset. 2. Practice patience and discipline. Patience and discipline are key qualities that separate successful traders from those who struggle. Many traders make the mistake of rushing into trades without proper analysis or exiting too soon due to fear. However, profitable trading requires waiting for high-quality setups and following a well-defined strategy, even when emotions tempt you to act impulsively. Discipline ensures that traders stick to their trading plan, follow risk management rules, and avoid emotional decision-making. Practicing patience helps traders stay calm, make rational choices, and trust the process rather than chasing quick profits. By mastering these qualities, traders can improve consistency, reduce unnecessary losses, and achieve long-term success in the markets. 3. Train your mind. Like an athlete. Just like professional athletes train their bodies for peak performance, traders must train their minds to handle the pressures of the market. Trading requires mental strength, focus, and emotional control, especially during volatile conditions. Successful traders develop routines that include meditation, visualization, and mindfulness to stay calm under pressure. They also practice discipline, just as athletes follow strict training regimens to improve their performance. Consistently analyzing mistakes, refining strategies, and maintaining a strong mindset are crucial for long-term success. By treating trading as a skill that requires continuous mental conditioning, traders can build resilience, stay focused, and make better decisions even in challenging market conditions. Let's quickly recap the key points. Have a solid trading plan and stick to it. Control your risk. Never risk more than 2% per trade. Manage expectations. Trading takes time to master. Avoid overtrading and revenge trading. Keep a trading journal to track mistakes and improve. Train your mindset like a professional. Stay calm, disciplined, and patient. If you follow these steps, you'll gain control over your emotions and trade like a pro. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Tradecraft Academy for more powerful trading lessons. Let me know in the comments, what is the biggest psychological challenge you face in trading? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.